Hello everyone. Today we'll study the importance of law of diminishing marginal utility. Okay. But before that, let me revise the relationship between TU and MU. Okay. On x-axis, units of consumption is given. On y-axis, TU and MU is given. When TU increases with decreasing rate, MU decreases. When TU increases with decreasing rate, MU reduces. When TU becomes constant, MU becomes 0. When TU becomes constant, MU becomes 0. When TU falls, MU becomes negative. When TU falls, MU becomes negative. Okay. This concept of negative marginal utility is called disutility. Disutility. Okay. So this is the relationship between TU and MU. Now coming on to importance of law of diminishing marginal utility. It is the first universal law of economics. Law of diminishing marginal utility is first universal law of economics. Then it helps in explanation of law of demand. When we'll study law of demand, there you'll get to know how it helps in explanation of law of demand. Then it helps in price determination. Okay, it helps in price determination as marginal utility determines price of commodity. I told you in first lecture I told you that if I am ready to pay high price for particular commodity, that means I am getting higher satisfaction from that commodity. Okay, so law of diminishing marginal utility determines price of commodity. If the commodity is giving higher satisfaction, we will be ready to pay high price, but if it is not giving that much satisfaction, we won't pay that much price. Okay, now it explains water diamond paradox. Water diamond paradox, it explains that why water being essential commodity commands less price. Water is essential commodity, but it commands less price than diamond, which is quite unnecessary commodity. Okay, water is essential commodity, but it is of lesser price than diamond, which is unnecessary commodity. Diamond is a luxurious commodity. Okay, then why is it so? Because water is available in abundant. Okay, water is available in abundant quantity. Its relative MU becomes less. वाटर बहुत ज़्यादा अवेलेबल है, इसलिए उसका जो MU है वो कम है. ठीक है, जबकि डायमंड जो है वो स्कार्स है, वो प्रीशियस है, वो कम अवेलेबल है, तो उसका जो MU है वो हाई है, इसलिए उसका प्राइस भी हाई है. ठीक है, सो दिस इज़ द कंसेप्ट ऑफ वाटर डायमंड पैराडॉक्स. ओके, नाउ सी यू इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेरीज, प्लीज़ कमेंट in comment section. Okay, thank you so much.